He's the chief architect to overturn the election results with Joe Biden. He wants to criminalize abortion, and he wants to change Social Security and Medicare as we know it. The Democrats are going to hang this on not only the Republicans, but also on their new speaker, along with Donald Trump. This doesn't move the ball forward, and I believe he voted to shut down the government or was one of the holdouts and was against McCarthy. This doesn't move the ball forward, and you would think that they would either join the Democrats in a coalition or find a moderate Republican that was willing to compromise. He's far right, he's not compromising, and he's going to face the same challenges as McCarthy, even though he's the far right. He's Jordan without the firebrand. He doesn't throw bombs, but he's just like Jordan. He's just quieter,
I agree.
Kind of more presentable. Not good, unless he can keep his conference together. Those 4 or 8, or those 8 conservatives who are uncompromising, Mike's never been, the new speaker's never been in this leadership position. Can he keep that conference together? Can he lean in on them and keep the government open and keep them reasonably a working relationship with Dems? That remains to be seen. He walked out of the courtroom and violated the order. I mean, he just can't stop talking. Now, he took the stand because when you violate a court order, the court has to make findings of fact and make a decision and rule on the credibility of the witness. And so what's even more powerful about this is Trump took the stand. The judge questioned him. He said he was talking about the witness, not his court clerk, and the judge made a finding that he lacked credibility. He didn't believe him and fined him $10,000. I don't care whether ACLU is supporting him or not. This judge is making a record, and while gag orders...
Hold on, you don't care if the ACLU is supporting him or not?
It doesn't matter, because...
May finds it as...
She finds it extraordinary that they would do that, but the ACLU represents everyone's liberty, not just Democrats or liberals, everyone. But what he's making, this judge made the record, so he can go up on appeal if you want, but he made a credibility finding. Gag orders are rare. Obviously, it's very protected, First Amendment and what have you. But at the same time, you cannot attack the administration of justice, talk about court employees in this political environment, and that's the finding that the court made. It's going to be made. It's going to be upheld. And whether they're cooperating or whether they've been charged and cut a deal, there's got to be a proffer. The government doesn't have to grant you immunity or not charge you or cut a deal and let you plead to a misdemeanor. Right. The government has to know what your information is. And if you proffer it, and if it's valuable to them to prosecute up and down the chain of defendants, then they'll do that deal.